Who's this from?
This is Catherine's present. This is Sissy's. Can you help her?
Who's it from? Grandma and Grandpa?
Ooh. Yeah. Look.
Mine.
It's Sissy's. Open it for her.
This is Sissy's present, but you're going to help.
It's a boomer.
What is it? Open the lid. Open the lid. Oh, oh, oh. There we go. Oh, look how beautiful.
Look, it's a doll for Sissy.
Look, it's Catherine's. Hold on. Come sit right here next to Mommy, Caroline. We'll get a picture.
Down in the front.
Look at the doll.
What do you have there? Candy.
Oh, this is so cute.
Somebody likes their Pez machine.
This is Sissy's.
Down in the front, child.
Look how beautiful.
That is pretty.
Okay, take a still shot.